Hello friends, how are you? So today we are going to discuss about the version in package-JSON, right? So whenever you install a package from npm, so it will download the latest version of that package to your node module folder, and a corresponding name and version number entry are added to the dependency field of your package.json, right? So let's see it practically. So for that we have to initialize the npm first. For that the command is npm init, and we can pass the y flag so we don't have to enter the field manually. So you see package.json is created. Now there are no dependency yet, right? Because we have not installed any dependency yet. So let's try to install package called lodash. So what we can do npm I lodash or npm install, both are same, right? So whenever you type npm install lodash, so it will download the latest package to your node module file, right? So you see it added the dependency and the package name with the version. You can see there is a caret sign here, and we have a major, minor and patch, right? So npm follows the semantic versioning. Now what do I mean by that? Okay, let's try to understand this. What do I mean by semantic versioning, right? Suppose this is our lodash package, and right, and this is the version, and we do have a caret sign here. I'll come to this later. So firstly try to understand what is semantic versioning, right? So you see we have four here, 7 here and 21 here, right? So this is the major one. This is what we call major in semantic versioning. Next to the major one is the minor, right? And next to the minor is patch, right? So whenever a package author publish a new version to their package to npm, they will bump up the version, right? It depends upon the what kind of changes they are pushing. Like if they are pushing some breaking changes, right, then they should bump the major version, right? And if they are adding some feature which are backward compatible, then they should bump the minor version, which is 17 in this case, right? And if they are doing some bug fixes, for that they should update the patch version, right? So this is for breaking changes, and minor is for adding backward compatible features, right? And patch 1 is for bug fixing, right? So this is the semantic versioning that npm follows. Now let's go back to the package.json, right? We have installed lodash package with this version, and we do have caret symbol. So whenever you install a package, npm add the caret symbol by default in front of your version number of your package, right? And it also whenever you run the command npm install, right? It will do two things, right? It will create a package.json file if you don't have. If you already have a package.json file, then it will update that package.json file with whatever module you are installing, and it will download that module inside this node module folder, right? So we have installed load-as, so you can see we do have load-as folder, right? And these are all the files in this load-as folder that we have installed, okay? And this is our package log, right? So I'll tell you the use of package-lock.json file, right? Suppose you are working on your project, right? And you have installed a dependency whose version is this, and you have pushed your changes to the git repo, right? So we will commit the package.json, and we don't commit the node module, right? Because the size of node module is very big, so we don't commit that. So we commit package.json file. So package log is introduced after npm 5 version, right? Before that there was no package.json, package-lock.json, right? So what was happening before, like there was a issue. I'll tell you what was the issue. So suppose I am working on some project, and I have installed the dependency of load-as, right? With this version 4.17.21, okay? And I did my changes and I pushed the changes to the git repo. So my app was working on this version. My app was certified, okay, my app is working perfectly fine on this version, right? Now some other person came and clones my repo, right? It clones the repo, and after that it ran npm install, right? So what that does, it will pull the latest package from the npm repo, right? So if load-as release some update, like if they fix some bug, so in that case they will bump the patch version, right? So that version will get installed on their machine. So it was very difficult to, like, both person have different version of dependency on their machine, so that was a issue, right? So in order to handle that, npm created this package-lock.json file. So what is package-lock.json does, it will log the version. Like we have installed load-as with this version, so you will see the version here for that 70, the same version, right? And whenever someone push their code, so they will commit this both file, package.json and package-lock.json file, so that whenever other person clones the repo and whenever it ran the command npm install, so it will download the same version on their machine, right? Now let's try to understand what is the meaning of this caret symbol, right? Whenever we wrote this caret symbol before the version number, so that means, okay, we have this caret symbol, and whenever someone ran the command npm I, so what it does, it will check the npm for load-as package, okay? Do we have a minor update or a patch update? Okay, if there is any update in the minor version or in the patch version, so it will install that version. Let me show you. Suppose let's install 14.17.1. No, okay, let's install 14.16.2. okay, this is a version, and let me remove the node module and package lock as well, right? So I have specified the version 4.16.2 in my package.json file with the caret symbol, right? So what caret symbol does, it will bump the minor version and the patch version. It will not touch the major version, right? So if I do npm install, then let's see which version get installed. See, we have 14.16.2, and which version got installed? Let's check. See, 14.17.21. This is the version that is installed. So because of this caret symbol, it will find the latest minor version and latest patch version against that minor version. So we have 14.17.21, that is the latest one, right? So this version got installed in my machine in this folder. So you see, the version that is showing in my package.json file is 14.16.2, but the actual version that got installed is okay. So the version that is in my package.json file is 4.16.2 with a caret symbol, and the actual version that got installed is 4.17.21, right? Now let's see. Let me remove the package lock and node module once again, right? Now let's see how it will behave with the tilde sign. So this is the tilde sign, right? So again, the version that we have specified in the package.json is 4.16.2, but this time with a tilde symbol. So what does tilde symbol does? So whenever I run the command npm I, so it will go to the npm repository and it will check it will only bump this patch version against this minor version, right? So it will go to the npm repository and it will fetch the latest patch version against this minor version, right? So let's try to execute this. Let me do npm I here, and now let's see which version got installed. So go to the package log, you see 14.16.6. this version got installed in my machine. See, the version that is here in the package.json is 4.16.2, but the actual version that got installed is 4.16.6 because this is the latest patch against this minor, right? So this version got installed, right? So this is the use of this caret symbol. Let's revise one more time. So with caret symbol, bump the patch version, right? And with the caret symbol, bump the minor and patch version. So that's the difference between two. Caret symbol is added by default whenever you install a package, right? And the tilde symbol is not added by default. And if you does not mention any symbol, right, in that case it will download the exact version. So if 4.16.2 is here, so whenever I run this command npm I, so it will install this particular version, and same can be seen in the package log file. See, this is the version that got installed. See, both version is exact same. So that is about the different symbol tilde and caret, and we have discussed about what is the use of this package-lock.json file, right? It basically logs the version. So whenever some other person take a clone of our repo, and whenever they run the command npm I, so the version that is there in the package-lock.json file, that will get installed in their machine, right? So this is the benefit of package-lock.json file, and we should commit this file. I saw many people got confused. They don't commit this package-lock.json file, because they are not aware of it, like what is the use of this package-lock.json file. So that is it for this video. I hope you like this video. Tell me in the comment section. Till then, take care, bye bye, keep learning.